Hey everyone, welcome back! In this quick guide, I'll show you how to clear the Snapchat app lens cache, which can help fix issues like the camera appearing to zoomed in or certain lenses not loading properly. The Snapchat app stores lenses you've used before in a special cache so they can load faster next time. But over time, this cache can get full or corrupted, causing glitches with the camera or lenses. Thankfully, the fix is super simple. First, open Snapchat and tap on your Bitmoji or profile picture in the top left corner to go to your profile. Next, tap the gear icon in the top right corner to open settings. Once you're in the settings menu, scroll down until you reach the section labeled Privacy Controls. Now tap on Clear Data, and from there, select Clear Lenses. When the confirmation window appears, tap Clear All Lens Data. Snapchat will ask if you're sure. Go ahead and confirm by tapping Clear. Once that's done, close the Snapchat app completely and then reopen it. Open the camera and test it out. Your lenses should now work smoothly, and the camera zoom issue should be gone. Clearing your lens cache is a quick way to refresh Snapchat's performance without deleting your chats or memories. It's a simple maintenance step that can make your app feel brand new again. If this helped you fix the problem, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more easy app troubleshooting guides.